All these are truth, because all this is a real case study. I just teaching you how I read 八字. 用 is important. 用 means if you want to be rich, you better use this. If you want to be happy, then you use this. 喜吗？用 is for work. 喜 means enjoyment. 喜食神 love to eat. 贪价 love enjoyment. But 喜欢 also can use to make money. For example, 精 means focus step by step towards the goal. 精 never give up. Chop the wood one. So below you can also use all this. Got degree, willing to learn. This is the young time. Got leadership. Also represent the parents. Then you come down and see. This one 做木. This one. This one 做空. Can see or not? 空 means what? 空 I die already. No. 空 means with this person, the relationship less, how to say, 缘分比较薄一点. Who is this person? Can be mother, sister, right? This one is the friend, right? This person got true friends or not? Maybe don't have. But he know a lot of people. Got BFF or not? Maybe don't have. Because 空 means 缘分薄 with this character only. Doesn't mean I collapse, die. Please don't read like that. Or leave the country. This is the mother, what? This is the home. So leave the home. Or leave the mother. Or the mother leave him. Or seldom see the mother. But doesn't mean don't love the mother. No, I never say that. I just said 缘分比较薄. So free go swimming lor. Your luck also good. Your body also nice. You swim 1 month, you tell me good luck or bad luck. Then you have to see, fire will grow earth. Even not strong, so many. You will start to grow all this earth. Everywhere grow. You must know what is this earth. This one is the 比肩 and 劫财. So selfish or not, this person? Very selfish, right? Everything is about me. Then the luck cycle, come down and see. 劫财, more earth comes in. 上下透有根, 长流 27 to 36. The earth come in.